Yes, plant tissue culture. Today, what is tissue culture? Tissue culture involves the use of small pieces of plant tissue like explant, which are cultured in a nutrient medium under sterile condition, so known as tissue culture. The plant tissue culture is a technique of growing plant cells, tissues, organs, seeds, or other plant parts in a sterile environment on a nutrient medium. The father of tissue culture, Haberland, the father of tissue culture. Before tissue culture technique, the term was totipotency. The what is totipotency? Totipotency is the ability of a single cell to divide and produce all of the different cells in organism. Totipotency is the genetic potential of a plant cell to produce the entire plant organism. Tissue culture technique depends on totipotency. Then steps in plant tissue culture technique. Step in plant tissue culture. Selection of plant, most important. Then isolation of explant, sterilization of explant, preparation of nutrient medium, sterilization of nutrient medium, then inoculation of explant, incubation. After incubation, growing to plantlets known as regenerations, hardening, then after transfer of plantlets to greenhouse or open field. This is the steps tissue culture technique. Uh, Fundamental of principles of tissue culture technique. The main important role depends upon it is the ability of plant cells to regenerate into a whole plant, known as the totipotency. Then to Plasticity, it is the ability of plants to alter their metabolism, growth, and development to best environment. Totipotency is the genetic potential of a plant cell to produce the entire plant organism. A very important the tissue culture technique depends on totipotency. Process the selection of plant. The main important selection of a good plant and selection of the X plant also. The X plant such as leaf, stem, fruit, petiole, embryo, meristem. This is the X plant. Then after main role isolation of X plant. The selection of X plants is very important in the technique of the tissue culture. Then after another important role, the sterilization of X plant. The sterilization of techniques, dry heat treatment, flame sterilization, autoclaving, filter sterilization, wiping with 70% ethanol, surface sterilization. So anyone, the use of technique in the sterilization of expand. The next step, culture medium supports the growth of microbes, example bacteria, fungi, virus, etc. These grow fast and kills the plant cells. Microbes may come from glass vessels, instruments, nutrient medium, and also from the plant material. So the mainly important sterilization process expand or nutrient medium. Sterilization of nutrient medium sterilized by autoclaving under steam at temperature 121 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Autoclave instrument. This is the autoclave instrument. The vessels also and neutron to medium with with expand. The most important uh, step sterilization of process autoclave. Then next step preparation of neutron to medium or culture media. Experiments are then usually placed on the surface of a solid culture medium, but are the sometimes placed directly into a liquid medium when cell suspension cultures are desired. So, neutron to medium composed of inorganic salts, organic nutrients, vitamins, and plant hormones. And preparation of culture media are generally composed of inorganic salts, micro, macronutrients, vitamins, and plant hormones like auxin, gibberellin, cytokinin. Then after once important and technology in step one, sterilization of nutrient medium. Very important. The major types of media use of tissue culture technology, White's medium, MS medium, D5 medium, and 6 medium. Commonly used medium are Murashiki and Su. MS Medium. MS Medium is the most commonly used for plant tissue culture. The medium is composed for organic salts, iron, vitamins, amino acids, plant hormones, and a carbohydrate supply. This is the preparation of nutrient medium and sterilization of nutrient medium. Sterilized by nutrient medium, autoclave under steam at 121 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Autoclave instrument, very important. A medium is a very three types of medium in use of technique, chemically defined nutrient medium, chemically undefined nutrient medium, then solid medium, semi-solid medium, liquid medium. Then sterilization of nutrient medium. The next step, inoculation of expand. Inoculation expand under UV room, ultravirus room, then 2 or 3 days. The expand growing unorganized moss cell, known also callus. Callus is an unspecialized, unorganized, growing and dividing mass of cell. After incubation period of expand, growing and dividing unorganized mass cell known as callus. This is the callus. This is the nutrient medium Preparation in the plant organs, the plant hormones, very important. Auxin and cytokinin are required for plant growth. Excess of auxin result in a proliferation of roots. Excess of cytokinin results into proliferation of shoots. Very important in plant hormones, the preparation of nutrient medium. So sometimes and multiplication of media in produced also. The collar starts formation of new plantlets. After a incubation period, the, the collar starts formation of new plantlets. After incubation period, 2 or 3 days, growing, it may directly lead to formation of new shoots from explant. The collar starts formation of new plantlets. The roots and shoot. So this is process as a regeneration, the rooting, hardening. Then last step was transfer of plantlets to greenhouse or open field. When plantlets become larger, they are transferred to the pots. The young plants are grown in greenhouse. This is the plantlet greenhouse. The transfer to pot plantlet greenhouse or open field. This is the then application of tissue culture, the importance of tissue culture. Then first one, micropropagation, pathogen-free plants, seedless fruit propagated easily, in vitro cloning enables genetic manipulation, hybrid formation, somatic embryos. So many applications importance in tissue culture technique. The mass multiplication of agricultural, horticultural, medicinal, and other desirable plants by tissue culture techniques is known as micropropagation or clonal propagation. Rapid vegetative propagation of several agricultural and horticultural crops. More important application of tissue culture micropropagation. This is the plant tissue culture techniques of steps, techniques, and application are important. So this culture types, the many types, root culture, callus culture, shoot culture, axillary bud culture, ovary culture, embryo culture, anther culture, or microspore culture, seed culture, protoplast culture, cell culture, callus culture. So many types of plant tissue culture. So once again, the important role in tissue culture, gram plasm preservation, seed dormancy, embryo resource, protoplast fusion, applied genetic modification, vegetative propagation. Thank you.